Now we are going to solve example 2b. 2x plus 3y equals negative 3 and 3x plus 4y equals negative 2. In this equation, we have to probably multiply both the equations so that we have equal and opposite sign for at least one of the variable. So I decided to eliminate variable x. So I'm going to multiply the equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by negative 2. So I multiply the first equation by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9y, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. On the second equation, we're going to multiply negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So see that we are going to make the 6x and negative 6x, because when we are going to add them, they get cancelled. Negative 2 times 4, negative 8, and negative 2 times negative 2 would be 4. I'm going to rewrite this equation to solve next. So I rewrote these two equations and we're going to add them. 6x and 6x cancel. 9 minus 8, it would be just y, and negative 4. 9 plus 4 would be negative 5. Now we are going to use this y value and substitute into one of the given equation to solve for x. So I'm going to choose the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals negative 3, and I'm going to use the y value as negative 5. So 2x minus 15 equals negative 3. We're going to add 15 on both sides. You're going to get 2x equals 12 and divide by 2 to get x equals 6. So x is going to be 6 and your point is going to be 6 comma negative 5. Now let's discuss number 8 on the bottom here. So question number 8 is 7x minus 3y equals 19. That's equation number 1. 5x minus 2y equals 15. That's an equation number 2. Now I will eliminate the variable y first. I will do this by multiplying 2 to equation number 1 and multiplying negative 3 to equation number 2 so that y becomes same and opposite. So when I multiply the equation number 1 by 2, I got 14x minus 6y equals 38. And on the bottom here, I got negative 15x plus 6y equals negative 45. I rewrote the equation here to solve. So 6y and negative 6y cancel. 14 minus 15 would be negative x equals negative 7. Divide both sides by negative 1, you're going to get x equals 7. In order to solve for y, now we are going to substitute the x value in one of the given equation. So I chose the given equation as 5x minus 2y, and in place of x I am using 7. 5 times 7 is 35 minus 2y equals 15. Negative 35 on both sides, you're going to get negative 2y equals negative 20. Now divide with negative 2 on both sides, you're going to get y equals 10.